Hey friends, if you wish to know why Microsoft icons are not showing on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So first of all, open the File Explorer. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select Options and go to the View tab. Now make sure that this option here always show icons, never thumbnails. This should not be checked. It should be unchecked. Click on Apply and then on OK. Okay. Now once this is done, then you can make sure you can fix the icon cache. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type percentage app data percentage and hit enter, and go to the app data folder and delete all of these field holders. Okay, I'll tell you what it does. It will delete the app data and along with it the icon cache. It will really clear up your system, and once that is done, you will be able to rebuild the cache. So it needs a while because this is quite a lot of information. Okay, once this is done, just click on skip. Click on do for all the current items, skip. And once this is done, close this, restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.